while coming to your textbook also, there are so many things. If you will notice, here patterns in a number. If you will see here in your textbook, here is the written patterns in a number. So we have already studied what is pattern, right? We have already know what is a number, right? So what is written here? Among the most basic pattern that occurs in mathematics are pattern of numbers, particularly pattern of whole number. Sir, we know the whole number. What is whole number? The number which starts from the 0. 0 and positive. Negative numbers are also whole number. Positive numbers are also whole number. But if we consider this, then 0, 1, 2, 3 is a whole number. And we have already know, sir, in today's lesson, we have learned what is even number, what is odd number, what is prime number. Know the prime number, the number which multiply itself by its own number, it's called a prime number. Okay. So what is written? The branch of mathematics that studies pattern in whole number is called number theory. Okay. So what is now number theory? Number theory is the same thing I have explained. The whole number, the prime number, the odd number are the number theory. They have just combined this to check our mind and check our focus, how much focus we are on this chapter. Okay. In the next session, okay, there is an example you are seeing here. So in first example, there are all ones. Okay, sir, all ones. Okay, the repeated number are the same number are repeating. Okay. Second, so there is a number which is counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are counting the numbers. Okay, sir, here is written. Don't tell us. We would able to read this one. Okay. Now, what is third one? Is an odd number. I have already taught you what is odd number. The number which is multiplied by 3 and which is between the prime number, between the even number is called an odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. These are the odd number. Then what is even number? The number which is multiplied by the 2. It's called an even number. So what is this triangular number? Okay. So what is this triangular number? Let us discuss. So, what is triangular number? Suppose there is written 1, 3, 6. So the number has written. Let us suppose a 4. Let takes a 4 number. Okay, 4 is my favorite number. So we'll consider the starting 4 number. Okay, 1, 3, 6, and 10. So this is the mix-up of odd, even, whole number, whole. So why this is called a triangular? I will show you. Suppose we have taken a ball. Okay, right? This is a small ball. This is a 1. We have given the value 1. Now, second number is 3. We will place 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. So yes, 3 balls. Now, what is the third number? So 6. If you will see, the third number is representing a triangle shape. Right? It's joining. If you join this 3 coordinate, you will get a triangle shape. Okay? This 3 coordinate, that is 3, if you join this 3, you will get a triangle. And what is this called? A triangular number, right? See, now we'll go for the next number, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also looking like a triangular number. How come? So see, if you are making this coordinate join, see, each and every coordinate should be joined. No coordinate if should be left behind this. Then only the triangular number formula will apply. Okay. So sir, 6 is also following a triangular number sequence. Okay. We'll go with the 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is also looking like a triangle somehow, sir. How come? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this middle one is like looking separate, like अकेला लग रहा है मेरे को बहुत ही बीच वाला number. See, he is not alone. He is having some value which is called, if in further further standard you will understand that what is diagonals, what is like if you will go in the further classes you will know about this. So these points attach with the whole 3 coordinates of the triangles. So this is also a triangle, this is also a triangle, this is also a triangle, and this is also a triangle. So this performs a triangular number. Understood? Now second is square. I know you know you guys know what is the square. The power of the number which is 2 or even number is called a square. If the number is multiplying by 2 or see in this, if you see 1 and then 4. Sir 1 के बाद 4 कैसे? See, let's take 1, 2. It's only following the simple whole number pattern just by squaring the number. Okay, we have seen the all ones, counting number, odd number, even number, and we also studied the triangular number. Okay, for example, if the number 1 is multiplied by itself, it will become 1. Okay, so we have got this. If number 2 is multiplied by itself, so it will become 4. So if the number 3 will multiply by the 3, we'll get 9. Okay, sir. 4 number multiply by the 4, we get the 4 4s are 16. So if we see 1 4 9, I said you will see in the square you have written 1 4 9. I have not written, actually textbook has already written it. 1 4 9 16 25. So this is also in square, but make sure this is also in square. Why? Because see, if square means you should multiply by 2 or multiply the number by itself, it will become the square. But make sure always, if you want to remove the square, you have to always have a power of or multiply the number by itself. Okay, so the number you have to multiply by itself, so you will have a square number. So sir, what is a cube? So as simple as that. If you want to remove the cube, you have to multiply by it the number 3. For example, for the 1, if you will multiply 1, see 1 has no value. Okay sir, we'll go for the number 2. 2, if we will multiply 2 for the 2 times, 2 for the 2 times, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 2 times, not 1 time. For the 1 time it will become square, for the 2 time it will become the cube. Okay, so if we will multiply by the 1 time, we will get the 4, which is the square of the 2. If we will multiply it by the 3 times, we will get 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 is the cube of 2, right? Sir, we have got this. What is a cube? What is a square? We have got this, sir. So if you will see the pattern, so 1 8 and direct 27. Sir, what is 27? Array, this is nothing. Just you will have to apply the formula for the same as for the 3. See, in mathematics the pattern is always the same, but you will get the different answers. For example, now how comes at 27k? See, we have seen that 1 cube is equals to 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. Sir, हमने 1 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, हमने 1 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, so we have got 1 1 जा 1 1 1 जा 1. सर 1 ही मिला है हम लोग को, तो सर उधर भी 1 ही लिखा है. If we'll take 2 raised to 3, right? It's a 2 cube. So sir 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So we have got the 8. Now we have to remove the 3 cube. So how come 3 cube came? Multiply, sir. Sir, multiply 3 by 3 times. We will get the cube. Okay, 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27. So this is how here 27 came. Same rule for the square. You have to add 1 ka square. Then what will be the 1 ka square? 1 multiply by 1. Only 2 times you have to multiply. For the 2 ka square, we have written 2 multiply by 2, which is 4. For the 3 ka square, we will multiply 3 multiply by 3, we will get 6. As simple as that. Understood? Understood? Square, cubes. Now sir, what is Viharank's number? So what is it? We not able to pronounce also, right? Virahank's number. Sir, what is this? We also don't know. Let's understand. What is Virahank's number? Actually students, in the ancient time, the people used to calculate the number which is the sum of the previous two numbers, right? For example, if you will see here, let me zoom. If you will see here, it follows a pattern like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Sir, how this pattern is made, I seriously don't understand. But let us decode for you. For example, we will stay. You know my lucky number is 4, right? So I will take the starting 4 number. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Sir, आप हमेशा स्टार्टिंग के नंबर क्यों लेते हो पीछे? चलो मैं आगे के नंबर ले लेता हूँ. Suppose we will take any of the 4 number or any of the 3 number, any of the 2 number. Suppose I have taken 5, 8, 13, 21. Okay, 5, 8, 13 and 21. If you will see what is the Viharangs number says that if your number, if any of a number is getting, let's suppose take all the number, right? कौन बार बार वो सब करेगा फिर? ठीक है, let's take any of the number, but make sure your answer, and obviously, and if you will see here and observe, the answer you will get is the addition of previous 2 numbers. For example, if you take a number 21, okay, it is a greater number, right? If you will see the previous 2 numbers, that is 13 and 8, if you will add this 2 number, 13 plus 8, you will get 21. That's it. This is the Viharangs numbers theory actually. They have made us for us. They have given us a very huge example of ancient time. So this is an easy way to find out the numbers which are previously 2 numbers, the addition of the previous 2 numbers, only 2 numbers, right? We don't go for the 3 numbers. This is not a Viharangs theory says. So only for the 2 numbers. Suppose we have taken the number 5 or 8. Suppose we have taken the number 5. If you will see, now you guys are smart, I know. So if you will see, then whenever they say do this with the Viharangs number, we have to take the 2 previous numbers, that is 2 and 3, and we will add and we will get the answer 5. So we also have done the Viharangs number. Now I am a mathematician, right? Yes, you are a mathematician. So now what is the second term says? Power of 2, power of 3. What is power of 2, power of 3? Just I have taught you now, square and cube. That is only the power of square or power of 3 or power of 2 is only the same thing. Okay, now we'll go further. So in the relation among the number, okay, in the relation among the pattern, can different number pattern be connected? Imagine you are having an even number, but it is also a square number, it is also a prime number, it is also a whole number, right? Suppose I have taken a number, anything a number, right? For example, I have taken 13 stable, okay? Everyone knows 13 stable? I don't think so, you know. For example, we have taken 10s का table, ठीक है? 10 का table लिया है हमने. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. Okay, sir, we have got a number. Sir, what the number we have got? 10 4s are 40. As you know, 4 is my lucky number. So we have got a pattern 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, sir, we have got a 4 number 10, 20, 30, 40. So can you see a pattern in this number? Can you see the pattern in these numbers? Obviously you are smart, I know. You will see, sir, the number is increasing by 10. Yes, this is the pattern you will follow. But sir, this is also in table, and if you will see, it is increasing by 10. Okay, increasing it by 10 number, and if you will see, the difference is also 10, the number is also 10. If you have knowledge about the table theory, that is a table theory, an old German scientist had wrote that if the number, if you will see, the number is always multiplied by 2 with its even number. The numbers which are evenly through multiplying, you will get the difference also. For example, the 10, if you will segregate, you will get 2 5s are 10. Okay, sir, we have got this. So 220 2 multiplied by 10, we have got, sir, 20. So 30 2 into 3, 2 into 15. We have got, sir, 30. For the 40, so 2 multiplied by 20, we will get 40. If you will see here, you will also, sorry, this is so bad over here. So, if you will see 2 multiplied by 20, you will get 40. If you will see in the number, if you will see the number, only focus in this, okay? If you will see the number 5, 10, 15, 20 is multiplying by the number 2, and there is a difference in the another number, right? What is the difference? There is a difference of 5. So every number or every sequence, see what is it? Different sequence can have a different rule, but they can also be connected to each other. So they are always connected to each other. So make sure whenever you are having a pattern, or you are sequencing a pattern or making any pattern, they are always be connected to each other. Okay? Now, so then what is the next thing? Finding the relation between the pattern. Sir, we know about what is pattern. Sir, we have discussed what is the use of pattern in our mathematics life, mathematician life. Sir, we have explored all the numbers theory. We have learned the square, cube, Bryantics, numbers theory, and many more things, right?